guys, are you ready? So this is my car. I just start from my journey from Faisalabad. Now I'm going towards Islamabad and then towards Turkhan border. What I would like to tell you now, I'm in Pindi with my travel mate. We are ready to go to hell. We are here in Islamabad. So actually thing is, first I wanted to go on my own car, but then I came to know there's no parking on Turkhan border. So now we are leaving our own car here and going by taxi. Only how many?
I don't really know.
So it's about 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. हम तुर्कम के लिए निकल रहे हैं. अपनी गाड़ी नहीं ले जा सके, ये गाड़ी करवाई है, इस पे हम जा रहे हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पार्किंग इशू नहीं है. ये सदाम भाई हैं, ये हमारे साथ जाएंगे. सदाम भाई हेलो बोल रहे हैं. सदाम भाई है किधर? आ रहे हैं हम. Would you like to say something?
No, I don't want to say anything.
Oh, see you. हम तुर्कम बॉर्डर पे हैं. आप देख सकते हैं लोगों का रश किस कदर है. गाड़ियाँ देखिए, इससे कहीं ज़्यादा रश आगे क्यों में हमें करना पड़ेगा. इतना ज़्यादा रश है वहाँ. So we are ready to go to Afghanistan. So just pray for us. So here is, you know guy, you guys know this lady? No, no one can guess.
I'm smiling.
So afraid, scared.
Of course I'm afraid.
She said no at all. So see you in Afghanistan. Border is a big queue. Turkam से बाहर निकले हैं. We just came out from Turkam border. This is Afghanistan. We landed by land in Afghanistan. So going towards Jalalabad. So I would like to show you my travel mate. I don't know how shall I show like this. That's my travel mate. Ji, today's first shopping is water. Ubo. Doha. I'm in Afghanistan. I just came out from Turkhan border and going towards Jalalabad. So here's the cab, and as usual, here is beautiful lady. Yo, how are you?
Yo,
Welcome to Afghanistan.
Oi.
Oi. She's smiling. You can see her eyes. See?
Actually, I'm not.
She is
I'm
smiling.
tired. Very tired.
So happy. Finally, I'm in Afghanistan. This is my third visa, and 2 visas expired already. I couldn't come, so this time I make it. And let me tell you one important thing and secret thing which Ola doesn't know about it, and I'm going to speak it in Urdu so she would understand it. The thing is, हम जिसके पास आए हैं ना, वो दोस्त ने हमें रखने से इनकार कर दिया. I mean, वो बहुत डरा हुआ है. अगर हम उसके घर स्टे करेंगे, बाद में तालिबान उसको तंग करेंगे. तो अभी उसके घर जा रहे हैं. Let's see what happens. Finally guys, we are going to Jalalabad. So he's a taxi driver. He can't speak Urdu, he can't speak English. He said just speak Pashto. He can't speak Polish as well.
You wonder.
So it's very hard, but the thing is, I can speak bit Pashto, and I understand all Pashto. I think so. So it's better. Ministry of Interior of Pakistan, Afghanistan Embassy, Polish Embassy, everyone asked us don't go, but we are here and we never listen to anyone, and let's see what's gonna happen with us. So, but I'm hopeful and I'm so excited. Afghanistan. This is on the way Jalalabad to Kabul. So this is built by Russia. And what is this?
We are in Daronta. It's a very famous place. This one is called Daronta, and this is located in Jalalabad, Nangarhar. And this place is built up by Russian.
It's a power plant?
Yeah, it's a power line, and they give the electric to the whole city, to the whole
The Jalalabad.
Yeah.
Trying to carry the fish for us.
He can't hold it. It was 2 kilos of water.
Oh, he carried the fish. Yo! So, this is the fish which we catch earlier, and now he is going to fry it first. Yo! From so guys, finally we are going to Kabul from Jalalabad. So see you. There's about 3 hours journey. So till then, wait for us. I'm on Mahipari. I mean, this comes on the way to what we call it, Kabul. So we just leave Jalalabad and going to Kabul. So this is Mahipari. This is one of the most beautiful views. We just stopped here to see this view. You can see the mountains over there. Yup. And you can see also one lady just copying my style.
Just to take a few photos.
On the way to Kabul, there is a beautiful view. You can see the tunnels over there. These tunnels made by Russia. We are now in Kabul. You can see the solar system, fast street lights, the flags, the modern and clean roads. So this is Kabul. First time I'm paying as a partner, international visitor. See? Hello guys, finally I'm in Kabul, the capital of Afghanistan. I'm at the moment Babar Garden. It has a very long history, and might be I can read for you guys. There's a Shah Jahan Mosque as well. Let's have a look. We're gonna visit that one as well. So in Kabul, there's first Mughal Badshah, Babur. His grave is here. If you talk about its history, It's long time ago. Right now I'm in Kabul, the market, the local bazaar. You can have a look. It's beautiful local market. So we are now going back towards Jalalabad. Which city we are going back?
Jalalabad.
So what you bought from here?
Oh, the shoes with the pompons.
That one.
They are so nice.
Hey guys, Ilyas here from Travel Studio 92.
And Alex from Travel Studio 92.
We are here in Afghanistan.
Yeah, how come we are here? I don't know myself, but we are here. We are in Jalalabad and we stayed here for 2 or 3 days and we've been to Kabul and we're staying here in Jalalabad.
We came all the way from Turkhan border to Jalalabad by road.
Yes, the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan, there is the land border. We walked it. We actually walked to Afghanistan.
So do you think it's a bit risky? Do you feel afraid something?
Somewhere in the back of my head there is some kind of fear, but being here in Jalalabad, in the house where we stayed, it was really amazing. I would never expect Afghanistan to be so great fun.
So thing is, first we afraid a lot, we scared a lot. People told us, even our friends asked us don't come. They closed their doors for us. So basically, I don't know how we managed to leave. The thing is, basically we came here and we didn't see anything scary or afraid, which afraid us make us scared. Like Taliban, we didn't see any Taliban
Yeah,
at
I
all.
think Ilyas was the most scary thing that I've seen here.
All. So the guys, I recommend you whenever you come to Afghanistan, so make sure you have a strong link with locals here, and then there's no problem
That's
at
for
all.
sure. Do not travel absolutely alone. This is not safe.
So see you in Pakistan. We are on the way back to Pakistan. This is Jalalabad. This is the house where we stayed, and this is all around Jalalabad. So see you, Travel Studio.
96.
See you. It's shopping time. This is Jalalabad. We are just leaving for Turkam and then Pakistan. This is final version. This is Butio. Let's go. COVID reports. Now we are going towards Turkam border. Let me tell you one more thing. Why we are here in Afghanistan? We just wanted to tell you guys, we are not running only travel company. We are travel mates. We both have visited more than how many countries?
20.
More than 20 countries. So we took this risk. We just wanted to increase in countries. So it's gonna be more and more. So see you in. ना यहाँ एक वीडियो क्लिप बना ले. So we are leaving Afghanistan, going to Pakistan. Yes, my friend. Thank you, my brother, for your attention. Thanks so much. We are leaving Afghanistan now. We are at Turkhan border. This is Afghanistan side. We just have exit stamp. Now we are going to enter to Pakistan. Hola, welcome to Pakistan, by the way.
Thank you. We haven't entered yet.
Yes, that's my friend who was a tour guide over there in Afghanistan. We had great time. Thank you so much for your time and everything. That's my friend, sir. Thank you so much. So this is how Turkhan border is. The Afghanistan side. We have entered into Pakistan finally. After Afghanistan. Are you
No.
relaxed now? This is Pakistan. Come on.
No,
What now?
I didn't get my stamp yet.
You will get there, just there.
I'm just between the countries.
Exactly.
We
You can.
are nowhere. Nobody can find us.
So we should stay here, innit?
I don't know if it's a nice place to stay for long.
Welcome back to Afghanistan. Give you details later. Here we can't record with you. We are back to Afghanistan.
I'm
Give you
an illegal
details.
immigrant.
Adventure is not easy. We are stuck in such situation.
We can't leave. We can't stay. Am I right? Actually, we have another stay. I mean, another friend. There's issue of Taliban.
As the immigration officer told me today, we have two problems.
So we can't sleep actually. We don't know what to do. Here's a COVID patient, and the other where we're supposed to stay, they are Taliban. And Pakistan never let us in. So this is how we are going to enter Pakistan. We are too late. Ole, what happened? Why are you running? This is second time we are trying to enter Pakistan. And they said the gate is closed. Let's see. We are running hard. But this time, gate is again closed. We can't go. Look at this. This is second time. This border is like US border for us. Even although I'm Pakistani, so it's hard for us to get into Pakistan. I'm not sure when I'm gonna see you in Pakistan. But
One, two, three, ABC. So what's your name?
so, do you think we can make it this time?
No.
So, why are you saying this is our last show? We're gonna come back again.
Or maybe we will go somewhere else. Who knows?
You want to try different house, different family, different culture you want to learn.
Yeah, all the kiddos.
So we hope we're gonna pass for this time. Oh, hey, beautiful kids. Say bye.
Copycat.
Oh. We are making it. Where we are now?
In Pakistan.
You said, Ilyas, it won't happen. I can't ever go to Pakistan. See?
That's why now I'm happy. I'm just sitting and contemplating my stamp. Beautiful.
See, a European, a Polish girl who proudly about Poland, who wanted to come to Pakistan and was crying, I want to go to Pakistan. I want to see how happy she's coming to Pakistan. That's the beauty of our Pakistan.
Maybe because of the fact that before I was in Afghanistan.
So guys, finally we are back to Pakistan after a long struggle. I think third time they let us go.
Yes.
Yeah, twice we went, they let us come to Pakistan, and third time finally we are Pakistan, and it was a great tour actually. About 5 days we spent over.